we can agree that there were certain Jews who did learn Polish, speak Polish, go to Polish schools, write in Polish, and so on, and they need to be part of the story. However, they, in my opinion, they can't be allowed to become the story because they're not representative. Down to the Holocaust, they're not really representative. This is a culture that differentiated. Peretz knew this, you know, and Peretz had, if he wanted to become completely Polonized, he could. But instead, he recognized you're in a place where ethnic nationalism reigns supreme. That's defining people's identities. And to truly grasp Polish-Jewish history, I feel we have to come to terms with the fact that the vast majority of Jews were deeply traditionalist throughout the 19th century, and perhaps even throughout much of the 20th century, that acculturation, Polonization is a minority phenomenon. And it can't become this, we can't allow it to be the sole focus. We have to allow for the possibility that modernity entailed these very traditionalist cultures. We might not like them. They're xenophobic. They're misogynistic. But they adjust to modernity just as well as the Polonized Jews do. They build new institutions. Turn of the 20th century, you have Hasidic yeshivas going up. Networks of Stiblich that are just as vital and potent as the Zionist networks and the Bundes clubs and the Polish literary clubs and so on. And to truly understand this history, I think we need to inject some skepticism in this Polonized focus.